Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, let me ask you something. Do you remember your first time ordering food in English?
Oh yes, I was nervous and smiled too much. I didn't know the right words.
Same here. I felt shy and worried about making mistakes. That's why today's topic is very useful.
Today we are sharing some must-know English sentences for restaurants.
Yes, these sentences help you feel confident when you eat out.
And don't worry, many learners feel the same fear at first.
That's true, but practice makes things easier.
Let's start with simple ones. When you enter, you can say, "A table for two, please."
Or if you are alone, a table for one, please. Very easy.
When you get the menu, you can say, "May I see the menu, please?"
And if you need help, say, can you recommend something?
I love that sentence. It sounds polite and friendly.
Me too. When you are ready to order, say, I'd like to order now.
And don't forget drinks. "Can I have a glass of water?" is very common.
If you don't understand, it's okay to say, sorry, can you repeat that?
That's important. Asking questions is part of learning.
After eating, you can say, the food was delicious. People love to hear that.
Finally, ask for the bill. "Can I have the bill, please?"
These sentences are small, but they give you big confidence.
Yes. English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave.
Make mistakes. Learn. Try again.
Speak a little every day, and you will grow. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.